Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Edward Coop, and it's a Monday, it's a bank holiday, and we still show up to trade. Because markets don't sleep, money don't sleep, I don't sleep. So let's jump right into it. So looking at higher time frame here, we have 4 hour right here. We see two highs here. We go on ES. We took out those highs. US 30 took out those highs last week right here. So we have divergence to, I think this is divergence. Yeah, we have divergence to the downside. So doesn't matter. I wasn't really looking to buy or sell, but I had this order block marked out. This is perfect. Obviously, you can see it's not really respecting it as we would like to see it. It broke above that 50%. 50% of that order block. So not something I would like to see. So we might see a potential keep going higher. So this might be a turtle soup on S&P 500 and the US 30. So we're going to go smaller time frame here. Let's go 15 minute. We have an order block here. We've made an expansion to the upside before pre-market. So, and then we have 9 o'clock here. So this is when market opened, and then we expanded even higher. So I wasn't planning to trade, and I didn't trade. I did see a beautiful setup that I should have taken, that I would have. I don't know. I'll explain it here in a second. So basically, we made a move higher, right? We don't have SMT. We didn't create no SMT to the downside or anything. But if we look at US 30 here, we came up above this gap here. If we look here, we have a fair value gap. We broke above the high, and you can see it's actually respecting that fair value gap here. S&P 500, as you can see, there's a way to create an order block, broke the high, respected the order block, and we might actually be coming down. As you can see, also NASDAQ, have an SMT here. NASDAQ was kind of not respecting that order block, but yeah, so we have an SMT to the downside, but smaller time frame here, 15 minute, obviously expanded here. It before pre-market right here, expanded, retraced before market open, or New York, before New York volume, and then right here started expanding and then expanded even higher, and now we retrace back down. So actually this might be an expansion to the downside, because we market structure shift, fair value gap right here. We might want to enter here and then look to take out this low. But anyways, I'm not going to trade. It's bank holiday. There's not a lot of volume. There's also inauguration day, so we'll see how that goes. The trade I missed today, goes 1 minute here. So we created it. We went up higher. We did not create an SMT to the upside here, but I saw this expansion down. Perfect fair value gap. I wanted to enter, but I was watching a live stream that kind of made me feel weird, because he traded funky. But I watched the live stream all the way down to here. Anyways, I missed a trade so we made it down. We made a move down, very significant, broke this low, very obvious. Also, we have had a fair value gap right here. Perfect. Look at that. This fair value gap there, we tapped it, we came back up, we swept the high, and then we expanded lower, creating a fair value gap to enter to the downside. So this fair value gap is no longer respected. So it looks like it's an inverse fair value gap. So I should have entered right here, right at the bottom here, right, and then set stop loss right above the fair value gap, and targeted down here. So this is right here is the 15 minute, right? No, 5 minute. 5 minute order block to the, or fair value gap to the upside. So I would have targeted even the top of this order block, or even the fair value gap. I would have targeted the fair value gap, just because I want to be on the safer side. I don't know if it's actually going to go that far, but because we are going to the upside, and I wanted to see this as a retracement. So we could have entered here with the fair value gap, and then held it. It came down, came back, and then respected this order block, which we could have entered again, and then came back down, came back up, and then would have taken our profits right here or even right here where the order block is gonna be. So would have been an easy day. I mean, since markets aren't moving that much, since it's a bank holiday, I would probably risk more, right? So I can make a little bit more money. But okay, let's say if we go like this, we took a sell for 2 contracts, go limit. So right here, right? Put it to there, set stop loss just above the fair value gap. Our loss would have was 400, I think, right? The loss would be, come on, 400, whatever, close enough. And then our take profit, I would want to do like 1500 at least. Take profit, we would hit that. So if we look at this here, enter there, stop loss, for example, right there. That's almost a 3-to-1 trade. That's like perfect. Okay, if we actually move, if the stop loss was actually correct, right there, 4-to-1, almost a 4-to-1 trade. That's perfect. Like this is textbook trade. I didn't take this trade just because today's a bank holiday. What the heck? What can get rid of this? Today's a bank holiday, and I didn't want to risk it. I like to protect my capital, but probably definitely gonna trade tomorrow. I have tomorrow off, so we'll see how that goes. But that's a trade we could have taken. Would have been a beautiful trade, easy money. But sticking to my rules, today's bank holiday, not a lot of volume. Don't want to risk the potential of not actually making money. So maybe next time, we'll see. But that's the trade that we could have taken today. If you missed out on it, don't worry about it. We still have a whole year to catch more trades like this. But yeah, that's the move today. And with that, I'll end the video, and I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed. Don't be afraid to hit the like button, and we'll see you soon.